Welcome back to English Made Simple. Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers.
Hey, how are you getting on?
I am fine, and how are you getting on?
Are your parents fit and fine?
Yes, they are good. Thanks for the concern.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
When do you go to bed?
I often go to bed at 9 o'clock.
What do you do for living?
I am a fashion designer.
What dish do you cook the best?
I am expert at making tea.
Do you like playing football?
No, I don't like to watch or play football.
Do you like coffee?
No, I only take tea.
Do you know him?
I don't know him personally.
What do you have?
I don't have anything.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
What types of cars do you like?
I like to drive classic cars.
Do you know where I live?
No, please tell me your place for living.
Where is your book?
My book is on the table.
Do you love sitting in library?
No, I don't like to read books.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Google.
Why do you say this?
Because nobody else can be my friend.
How many friends do you have?
I have no friend.
Are you introvert or extrovert?
I am 100% introvert. See.
How many windows do you have in your room?
There are 5 windows in my room.
Why are you shouting at me?
Because I am angry.
Are you angry with me? Key.
Yes, I am very angry at you.
Have you been to the North Pole?
Yes, I have been there for a week.
Does a tiger climb trees?
No, it does not climb trees.
Do you eat rotten eggs?
No, I do not eat rotten eggs.
Is she in this school?
Yes, she is in this school.
Do you live in Switzerland?
No, I live in France.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak English and French.cc.
Has he gone yet?
No, he has not gone yet.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberry. Please subscribe for more content.